If you need one more Google account, you can easily create it by yourself. Just don't even use your phone number. To do it, go to Google Chrome and then go to Gmail page, gmail.com, and here you can find other pages. I will check account.google.com. Then it's our Google account page. We can click right up here and click on the add another account, then use another account, and then create account. Now we need to choose for whom do we create our new account. For myself, for my child, to manage my businesses for myself. So then you can just input your name if you want, Ilya. Now surname, your username. Okay, if it is our mail for account, let it be and then you just need to input the password. Here the rules: use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Okay. And confirm it. Oh. So now go to next, and if you want you can input your phone number. I don't want to do it. I won't also input the recovery mail address, but I will choose the date and the year. Let it be like this, and we can choose gender, email, mail. There are not to say. Next, then go to I agree, and we have our new Google account.